This 2026 Jayco Seismic 399 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 45 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 9, air conditioning, refrigerator, awning, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, slide-out, water heater, stovetop burner, skylight, TV, and 106 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Seismic 399 is 15,725 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.